Hello everyone. I made a video earlier that I'm getting ready to post. But at the end, and that's why I'm making this video now, at the end I kind of got off what I was speaking of. And I wish I knew how to use my editor, and I would have just cut it out and then, saved it for another day. But I started preaching of, I started speaking of false prophets and Antichrist. Those who come to you warning of false prophets and Antichrist. And believe me, I have much to say on this. But I've seen the ones who are telling you this. Because it is written long ago, even then there were many Antichrist. Many Antichrist. Yet a few who hear the true gospel. But I've seen on YouTube where it is because of false doctrines that these people hold on to, where they will take part of the truth. And they're teaching on YouTube and in the world. But they mix carnal understanding of the scriptures in with their teaching. I think someone's coming. If he catches me back here again making videos at work. But when they mix this wrong understanding, this carnal interpretation and understanding into their teaching, their truth has become a lie. They have now become a false teacher. and when you speak things contrary to the Spirit, contrary to Christ, then you are the Antichrist. And how are these who themselves speak falsely and wrongly, but they're teaching you of the Antichrist? See, this is how it works. They come to you in sheep's clothing, pretending. But see, the thing is, not all of them even understand. Those who are deceived do not understand they are deceived. There are many who think that they are speaking rightly, and they're teaching these things, and they themselves are the false teachers and the Antichrist. There is many, and they've been here. But I will go into that later. It is the Spirit of the Father that bears witness with our spirit. The carnal mind cannot receive the things of the Spirit. And that's why these who have heard or maybe have part understanding, but yet they hold on to carnal, so they cannot receive the fullness of the Spirit. So when they teach lies. Sorry. Customers. That's all I say for now. I gotta go. I'll upload the video. Thank you. Bye for now. Much love.